Good morning. Today is Sunday, June 15 of 2019. Welcome to the morning news. Creating Trainer Asensio. Broadcasting live from Up City, Chaparral, Tolima. The most relevant news in the complaint by a student of the frequent failure of the behavioral platform and the non-conformity of the Wi-Fi network provided by the Server Center University in the sport field. The interclubs game are prepared as a strategy of good consistent within their farm world of children observed the representation of the dance growth of our university in the national competition that will take place in the country capital. And finally, open call for the calendar for to 2019 in the faculty